Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to talk about Tamil Nadu Petro Products. So in this video we are going to talk about financials, latest news updates and chart analysis, where we'll talk about support and target. Okay, so please watch this video till the end without skipping it, and if you like this information, please subscribe our channel. Tamil Nadu Petro Product is a small cap company with a market capital of 1023 crore, and it has given a latest closing 113.80. If you look at the financials, the total revenue in 2018 was 1067.44 crore, which has increased to 1185 crore. The EBITDA is also improved from 107.53 crore to 204.51 crore. Even the net income has improved from 53.30 to 126.21. So net income has improved, EBITDA has improved, and total revenue is also improved year on year basis. So this is actually good for the company. If you look at the shareholding pattern, 34.54 percentage shareholding is with promoter, and the maximum chunk is with the retail investor, that is 58.29 percentage. And recently in the month of September, FII has increased their stake by 1.90 percentage, which makes it now 7.13 percentage with FII. If you look at the fundamentals, the company does the production of caustic soda, chlorine and derivatives, and linear alkyl benzene. As you know, the caustic soda prices are increasing day by day, and the caustic soda is really getting higher prices nowadays, which is a really good thing for company because they are in the production of caustic soda. More the caustic soda price goes higher, the stock will also go higher. Along with that, linear alkyl benzene, LAB, this product is used in the production of a sanitizer, and as you know, due to the COVID and Omicron, the continuous demand for the sanitizer is increasing. Same thing, this is also beneficial for the company. So both the things are good for Tamil Nadu Petro company. Now, looking at the news on 28th of December, as we know, there is a news saying miners' body urges government not to impose anti-dumping duty on caustic soda because the aluminum industry is one of the major consumer of the caustic soda in the country. So what's happening at the moment? The domestic level consumption of caustic soda is really higher, but there are only few companies who are producing the caustic soda, and that's the reason there is too much scarcity of the caustic soda, and because of that, aluminum industry has to import the caustic soda from the foreign country. And now if they are going to import it from the foreign country, the anti-dumping duty will be imposed on it, and they don't want it to happen. So you can imagine the way the caustic soda prices are going higher, how much beneficial is for the Tamil Nadu Petro company. Okay, so looking into this thing, this is a good news. Moving to the another news that was published on 15th of December, saying CARE upgrade credit rating of Tamil Nadu Petro Product stock up 1.5 percentage. So the earlier CARE rating to the company was stable A negative. So from A negative they have changed it to now stable CARE A. Okay, so looking at their performance and year on year basis, profitability and consolidated net income, they have increased their rating, which is a good thing for company. Now if we look at the chart analysis, I have taken this weekly chart because on the weekly chart we can see one special pattern over here, which is very clear. So if you look at this chart from March till almost August to September, it went continuous in an uptrend and made a high of almost 150. Okay, and after that it was going in a range. So this is the resistance trend line and this is the support trend line. So the stock was ranging between these trend line. Okay, and now the stock has closed near the resistance trend line. So what do we see over here? So this is a kind of a flag pole, and this is a flag pattern. So this is making a kind of bullish flagpole pattern, which is a bullish in uptrend. So whenever the stock break the resistance, now it is almost near to break the resistance because it's touching the resistance here. So on a weekly chart, the moment it breaks the resistance, the immediate target we can see is 136 over here, because there is already one hurdle over here. So the immediate target which will be achieved in a short to medium term is a 136, and if the stock sustain over here, the next immediate target would be seen as a 150. Okay, and if it sustain over here, because when there is a flag and pole, definitely it goes beyond 150. So even in a long term basis we can see even 200 target also, but as of now we are just looking at a short term to medium term target, which is around 136 and then 150. Okay, so here, as you see, the support of 100 has been tested multiple times. So it was coming to 100 almost 4 to 5 times over here. So the nice bottom has been formed. So there are very less chances that the stock will go down the 100. So if you have invested here, I would suggest you should hold your position looking for the target of 136 and the second target of 150. And if you have not invested in this stock, this is really good opportunity. If you are getting this stock near between 100 to 130, anywhere in this range, this is a good buying opportunity. By keeping a stop loss of 100, you can look forward for the target of 136 and 150. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you so much.